Episode 38H2 of 2 Island and PM2.5 can cause lung cancer in non-smokers. The study group leader, Professor of Cancer Medicine at University College London, Principal Group Leader at the Francis Crick Institute, and Chief Clinician at Cancer Research UK presented these findings at the ESMO Congress 2022, the European Society for Medical Oncology's annual conference, on September 10, 2022. A thoracic oncology specialist and associate clinical professor in medical oncology at City of Hope Cancer Center, described the study as a turning point in our understanding of the environmental contributions to lung cancer in never smokers. A director of thoracic oncology at the University of Colorado said air pollution was recognized as a cause of lung cancer in never smokers by the WHO more than a decade ago. Will this insight alter behavior more than the WHO announcement? No. But if the mechanism is robust, maybe we will study prevention options in a new way. Proof that air pollution causes lung cancer. The researchers looked at the health data of 463,679 people in England, South Korea, and Taiwan. PM2.5 pollution was found to be correlated with global lung cancer risk in never smokers. The researchers then set out to establish causation through laboratory studies on mice. They found that exposure to air pollution causes a dramatic increase in the number, size, and grade of cancers in mice with pre-existing mutations in EGFR and KRAS genes. This finding supports the idea that pollution is not simply correlated to lung cancer but may actually cause it. How pollution causes cancer. The researchers found no evidence of a DNA mutation from environmental causes in the lung cancer genomes of never smokers. So, they sought to understand how air pollution can cause cancer without causing DNA mutations. They found that air pollution exposure in both mice and humans results in an inflammatory response involving interleukin-1 beta, IL-1B, that transforms lung epithelial cells into a progenitor stem cell state. If the stem cell has the EGFR or KRAS mutation, there is an increased risk of a tumor being initiated. In line with the findings of a previous large clinical trial, the researchers found that blocking IL-1B with canakinumab, a monoclonal antibody, inhibited lung cancer initiation in mice. In other news about PM2.5, Island noted that a study in Hong Kong, China showed PM2.5 exacerbates rhinitis. Island also noted a study in Shanghai, China showed that acute exposure to air pollutants increases the risk of acute glaucoma. Ambient air pollution is related to the onset and progression of ocular disease. However, the effect of air pollutants on acute glaucoma remains unclear. Mary noted that the focus of Residents Against Wood Smoke Emission Particulates, ROSEP, is on the health effects to near neighbors of living next to residential wood burning, in those hyper-localized areas where the source of particulate pollution, PM2.5, is concentrated. PM2.5, particulate matter of 2.5 micrometer size, is the perfect size to infiltrate the human lung, causing a cascade of human health problems. Wood smoke consists of 90% PM2.5. Residential PM2.5 monitors can be purchased by neighbors from Purple Air for less than $300, and their locations are put on the online Purple Air map, along with data uploaded every 10 minutes, available to the general public, and of course, to governmental authorities. Neighbors of residential wood burners would like their Purple Air PM2.5 monitor data to be used to regulate and shut down residential wood burning detected at neighbors' fence lines that exceeds the World Health Organization, WHO, standards of 5 micrograms per meter cubed or future U.S. standards of 8 micrograms per meter cubed. There could even be court-ordered monitoring using a neighbor-owned Purple Air PM2.5 monitor as a breathalyzer, similar to car breathalyzers court-ordered for repeat drunk drivers, to turn off the ignition of a neighboring indoor wood stove when levels of PM2.5 in a near neighbor's yard is exceeded. In this way, governmental authorities would not have to check the make and model of an appliance and would not have to rely on unreliable certification and other worthless assurances of levels of wood stove particulate emissions by the company that manufactured it. Purple Air monitors also provide data every 10 minutes 24 hours a day, and data can be downloaded from the map by governmental authorities the day after the PM 2.5 levels are exceeded, during normal government working hours. Purple Air PM 2.5 monitors are so reliable and accurate they are put on U.S. Air Now smoke and fire maps alongside $100,000 Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, monitors, correlated to the EPA monitors with a simple mathematical formula. But to publicize this, it is necessary to point out that living hyperlocalized next to a residential wood burner is essentially the same as living hyperlocalized next to any kind of PM 2.5 emitting wood burning appliance, next to a PM 2.5 emitting wood burning wildfire or next to a PM 2.5 emitting industrial biomass, wood, burning facility. In a near